Okay, so magnesium chloride. So we're going to draw this out. So we're going to do this in a slightly different way. So I'm going to do, in the middle, I'm going to put my magnesium atom. Magnesium, so this is my magnesium atom. How many, magnesium's in group 2, so how many electrons will magnesium have in his outer shell? He will have 2. Chlorine is in group 7, so how many will he have? And I'm going to do 1 on either side.
7.
So I'm going to put 2. So this is my first chlorine atom, and over the other side I'm going to do my other chlorine atom, and you're right, both of them have got 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is magnesium bigger in this case?
No, we won't. You can make them the same size. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, so this is where it gets slightly more complicated, but hopefully it will all work out in the end. Can we work this one out? So, I've got a magnesium atom and I've got 2 chlorine atoms. How many electrons does the magnesium want to lose? He wants to lose both of them. How many does chlorine want to gain? 1. Yeah, brilliant. So what happens is this boy goes there, and this boy goes there. So he spreads out the love to either atoms. What a nice lad. So let's draw how it is. So after reaction, my magnesium has lost 2 electrons. So this is my magnesium ion. He's lost 2 electrons, so what's going to be his charge? He's lost 2 negative things.
So it's 2 plus 2.
2 plus. My chlorine ion has gained 1 electron each. So we draw them on like so. So 1 cross has gone here and 1 cross has gone there. They each gained 1 negative thing. So what's going to be the charge? It's going to be negative like side. So 1 negative either side. So this is a chloride ion. And this here is a chloride ion, like so. So what you may be wondering is how on earth, if you're just told to do this for something, how on earth do you know how many of each you need? Well, you already know how to do that, because that's what we've been doing for the last few weeks. You know we've been through the periodic table, and we know the ions. What charge do all group 1? So if we go through the periodic table, like so, group 1, what is the charge always on group 1? Group 1 is always plus 1, group 2 is always plus 2, group 3 is plus 3, group 4 we're not going to worry about. Then we go groups minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, and these guys don't react. So you know how to do that, and what you would do is you know we counted it up, didn't we? So if I have got here, magnesium's in group 2, and chlorine is in group 7. So if I had to do this, what I would do is I say, okay, magnesium's in group 2, so it's Mg2+. That makes sense, doesn't it? That's what we've just worked out. Chlorine's in group 7. So it's Cl-. That's what we've just worked out here. So we would have counted up. I've got 2 pluses, 1 minus. So how many of these do I need?
2.
I need another one of those. So my formula is MgCl2, which is what we just worked out here. So this bit we've done before. We've been doing that for the last few weeks. I've now shown you how I get to that. So I've now gone through why we get to this stage.